Welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Kdenlive video editor on your PC for free. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and then within the address bar, type in kdenlive.org and then press enter. This will now take you to the official Kdenlive website. Now right at the home page, you can find the download button. Go ahead and click on it and then you will be asked to choose your platform. Click on the installer depending upon your operating system. Once you choose your desired version, it will begin downloading right away. If you cannot download the latest version, you can check out the previous version within the archive as well. Once the download is complete, you can open up the installer and click on the next button to begin the installation. If you want to use a different directory, then you can click on Browse and change your destination folder. And finally, once you tap on Install, the installation process will begin. Wait until this process is done. And once you can click on the Finish button, the installation is completed. You can now open up the Kdenlive application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Kdenlive video editing app on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.